Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip5 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Display. Then scroll down again, click on Easy Mode, scroll all the way down and select Gray Sweater next to Easy Mode to activate it. Then tap on Home button. As you can see, Simple Mode is now on. If you want to go back to the standard one, access exactly the same settings and tap on No Blue Sweater next to Easy Mode. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!